Service dog organizations all over are promoting the use of service dogs this September for people with all kinds of disabilities. They also say they encourage people to use rescue dogs from shelters to become trained service dogs. Service dogs can come in all breeds and sizes and cater to many different disabilities. Meet Bruno, a rescue dog who was taken from the shelter and trained for a year in Arizona. He is now a full-equipped service dog. Blindness and autism are some well-known disabilities that put service dogs to use. But 20-year-old college student Laura Golden wants people to know that not all disabilities are noticeable.
Like, I've been to stores and they think that I'm faking it because I have an invisible disability. And they think I'm just faking it just to have a service dog with me.
This is the first service dog she has owned, and she has suffered from epilepsy for 9 years. Golden says that without Bruno, her life would be a lot different.
Like, I'm always scared to go places by myself because I feel like I'm going to have a seizure somewhere and they're going to call the ambulance, something's going to happen to my head, or some kind of limb's going to break. Just, it all depends. But he will help me gain my independence back.
Golden says getting Bruno was a long and expensive process. The total cost of the dog and all his training was nearly $16,000. She also says he is still learning and will be able to predict her seizures within the next 2 years. In the studio, Shelby Williams, Fox 31 News.